Yo, welcome back to my channel, guys. I'm back with another tutorial. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to transfer Ethereum into ENJIN coin. First of all, as usual, we are going to open the price tracking website that we have, which is CoinMarketCap. For me, I really trust this website. It is really safe. And guys, if you don't have any price tracking website in your mind, please use this one, because you might get scammed if you used another website, and this one is very safe. Now go ahead and start the tutorial by clicking on the search bar, write ENJIN coin, and this is the one. Now we have all this information related to the coin or the token. You have the price, market cap, and other stuff that you might need. From us, we will only need the contract address. By clicking on this icon right here, copy the address, we are ready to go to the next step. The next step is opening the Uniswap protocol, uniswap.org, and you go ahead and launch the app. By launching the app, we'll have this interface. You can first of all make sure that you are on Ethereum network and connect your wallet. Basically, they have bunches of wallets. You can use whichever you have and whatever you are comfortable using. For me, I'm comfortable using MetaMask, because if you have Wallet Connect, Coinbase Wallet, or Formatic, even Portes, please be it's okay. I mean, it's okay to use it. I mean, you can do whatever you want. For those who doesn't have MetaMask, please download it as metamask.io by clicking on this website and downloading it using this button. You can download it on every single browser in this world. Okay, guys. Now we go back to the interface. We click on the wallet after connecting it, and we make sure it is on Ethereum mainnet. Import tokens, custom tokens, and add custom token. Now this method helps you to find the token in your wallet. So basically, when you transfer Ethereum into the token, you will find it right here. Now we select the token in the interface, import it again. Now you can see the token in the interface. Now you can transfer between Ethereum into ENJIN, or the reverse. You can do ENJIN into Ethereum. So that's what the tutorial for today, guys. Please leave a thumbs up and comments and subscribe for more tutorials. Yeah, see you guys. Bye bye.